Throw your block of clay at an angle towards a canvas or plaster surface. Alternate sides and directions. You can also pound the clay down with the side of your fist. Toss the clay at an angle so that it flops. The angle is key as tossing vertically won't do much. Here too, alternate which side gets flopped, top, bottom, left, right. To keep it straight, I like to flip the clay over and also rotate 90 degrees. To think of it as a 3D model, the clay rotates 90 degrees along the X-plane, and the clay flips or revolves 180 degrees along the Z-plane. It's necessary to flip the clay so its particles spread evenly in all directions and make a stronger slab. Optionally, you can finish with a rolling pin for imperfections.